Welcome back to Dohm Speed Shop. On this episode, we're going to go through my top 5 picks of tools from Harbor Freight. Let's check it out. So my first tool on this list is going to be the 3/8 long flex head ratchet. Excellent ratchet, 90 tooth, I think. So nice. I leave the red handle in my truck, and this is the one I keep in the garage now. Also because it's green, it matched the box. Handle. But a great ratchet nonetheless. Mind you, I don't put a cheater bar on my flex head ratchets like that, because we all know what's going to happen to a flex joint when you do that, or you're going to snap off halfway through the comfort grip handle. But if you don't use cheater bars on it, it's an excellent ratchet. My second tool would be the 1/2-inch comfort grip breaker bar from Pittsburgh. I believe it's Project Farm or somebody tested the breaker bars between Snap-on Mac, Matco, all the big names, and this guy. And this guy did just as good as any of the big names. And most of the time they got this on sale for 20 bucks. So excellent breaker bar. I think it's like my third one because, quite honestly, I've misplaced a couple. Usually keep one in the trailer for flat tires. Excellent breaker bar. Number 3 on the list, easily the Brawn magnetic lights. As you can see, I've torture tested these by accident. That one found a fan belt. That one boiled the lens because this one was on for a while and got a little hot. These things are borderline indestructible unless you smack it with a hammer or something. Runtime is long, super bright. I mean, fully indexable. Super cheap. I got 3 or 4 of these things because you can never have enough light under the hood. Can't say enough good things about them. I've left them on a vehicle, on the oil pan of a vehicle, for about a month in summer. And so next time I serviced the vehicle, and it still worked just fine. Even throughout the heat cycles, and the battery wasn't even dead. Excellent light. The fourth item on my list would easily be their impact sockets. From Pittsburgh. I haven't tried the icons yet. I'm sure they're great. But if you're looking for a cheaper alternative, the Pittsburgh ones are great. They're a little thicker in the walls, which is to be expected on impact sockets on the cheaper end. But I put these to the ringer. I haven't had the warranty once. And overall, I can't say enough good things about these. Great sockets. Now, I said there's only going to be 5 items, and I did lie. I got 2 honorable mentions for you. First honorable mention is the flex head double-sided 1/4-inch and 3/8 ratchet. Super thin. Push button release on the 3/8 and the 1/4. The switch can be finicky sometimes on the selector here. That's my only complaint about this. I've never broken this one. I think I've had this one 8-9 years now. And it's still just, I mean, I haven't even put any oil or anything in this to keep it lubricated. So, fantastic. My other honorable mention would be the magnetic bowls they sell. Different sizes and shapes. Great little cheap item to have in your box. You can never have enough of them. Great for organizing, storage, whatever suits your needs. And number 1, my favorite Harbor Freight tool for the time being, these Icon flex head ratcheting wrenches. Picked these up recently. I'm still breaking them in, but already these are just fantastic. I would put these on the same bar as the gear wrench if they're not made in the same factory. Super fine teeth. I mean, works like a champ. Flex head stays tight. I had a coworker who's had the same set, and he's got no complaints about them. Mind you, when I use ratcheting wrenches, I'm breaking them free with a fixed wrench and then ratcheting them. So I tend not to break these for that reason, but you know, it'll happen one day. So those were my top 5 favorite tools from Harbor Freight. Leave a comment down below on your favorite or ones you'd recommend to a new mechanic, apprentice, someone walking into a field. I focus mostly on these in this list on the cheaper end, the Pittsburgh end. I do have more icon than just those wrenches, but I was trying to aim this more at the entry-level technician. So I did go towards the Pittsburgh end. I've had other Pittsburgh tools that weren't as good, but these are the ones that have been rock solid. I've had since I started wrenching professionally. Maybe longer than that. Been had for a while. So, hope you guys liked the video. Give me a thumbs up if you like it, and we'll see you next time here from Dohm Speed Shop.